Hello, my dear viewers. This is the NZDCAD Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 22nd of March 2024. The day is Friday. This is the last trading day of this week. I am NZDCAD Trading community member. This is a very big community of small and big traders, where we are part of NZDCAD, but we are not employees of NZDCAD. I'm an independent analyst, and I'm an independent trader also. I'm just using their YouTube platform to showcase my own analysis, that is price action analysis, on their YouTube channel. So what we are going to do here in the next 30 minutes is we are going to find out the key levels for all the major forex pairs, and we'll see how we can use those key levels into our trading setups. Now, before I show you my charts and tell you about the trading setups, I must also inform you that these webinars that I do every day here, they are not to be seen as trading advices. They are just to be seen as the educational videos, and you should use them to enhance your knowledge or enhance your way of looking at the charts. Now, because I'm only a technical analyst or a price action analyst, you can say, so I will be only talking about the charts in this live stream. I will not be talking about anything that is fundamental in nature, or in other words, we will not talk about anything which is not charts. For analysis of the charts, we will be using the candlestick type of charts because they always give us the maximum possible information. Now, before I start my session, I must also tell you that please do your own research before you trade live markets. If you want to learn, by all means, you can do paper trading or demo trading using my analysis. If you want to go live, please do your own research and be responsible for yourself. And also, let me take you through this risk disclaimer. Now, since this is the Friday, I'm not expecting much of a move now. The move that was there is already done, but the bullishness in the dollar has not resumed. Although there is a green candle, but the bullishness will be seen only above 104.26. The price is very close to that level, but has not penetrated that level to the upside. So the bias is still bearish, but because it has broken through this falling channel, so it is possible now that it will break through 104.26. But if it does not break and reverses from here, then we can say, okay, the price has now the thing here is that if you carefully notice this high that price had made with this red candle, this high that the price has made just now, in this case RSI has already gone higher than the previous high. Okay, so this is called hidden bearish divergence, when the price has not made any higher high, whereas the RSI has made a higher high. This is a hidden bearish divergence. There is high probability that the price on Monday will reverse from here. But if the price trades higher than 104.26, then it may not be the case, like I said. So for us, the resistance is 104.26 and the support is 103.21. Actually, on the downside, there are multiple supports now. Talking about the GBP USD, the bias is bullish, but now, even today, the bias does not remain bullish because it has traded the day high below the critical level of support. Now, if this has broken and if it closes the day below, then tomorrow this level will start acting as a resistance. Whereas if the price closes higher, then there's a possibility that the price will go even higher and then sold off. But from here it looks like pound is being sold. It is very bearish. First resistance should be 1.2600. Support should be around 1.2500 in this market. Guys, today I have a very less time, and also I think nothing much is left in the market, so maybe I will just go through the support and resistance levels that are of interest. Okay, the bias is still bullish in this one, in the euro, and it will turn bearish below 1.0795. so on the upside the resistance is 1.0897, and right now the support is 1.0795, below which the bias will not remain bullish. Australian dollar, well, this looks like it is trying to take some support here. If it takes support, fine. If it doesn't take support, then the next level of support is 0.6478. The price falling below this will open up other fresh levels of the downfall. 0.6443 is the support. For the New Zealand dollar, it is very bearish. I think yesterday only we had come to know that this is bearish now. After retesting this as the fresh resistance, this channel's support area is now acting as a resistance, and now price is trading at support of 0.5997. I'm not expecting much move lower today, but on Monday and thereafter I'm expecting 5940 in this market. Talking about the USD-CHF, any downside should be seen as a buying opportunity with a target of 0.9113. Horizontal support is around 0.8893 in this market. USD-CAD very close to the resistance level of 1.3620. Support is still at 1.3420. Notice that this channel is not relevant now because it has been broken multiple times, whereas this channel is still intact. If the price closes inside this, then I think it will just expand in size like this. And if the price closes below it, then there is a possibility of the price falling towards 1.3420. Okay. USD JPY, and the price has failed to go higher than 151.91. It has not even tested that level, and even if you go to the 4-hour, you will notice that last bearish pin bar on top has been able to keep the prices lower. Now the US dollar as a whole has made a green candle today, whereas USD JPY is red. That means that Japanese yen is very bullish, and therefore GBP JPY, Euro JPY, they must all be bearish, very bearish today. Talking about the New Zealand CAD, first target of 0.8152 is taken. Second target of 0.8105 is now exposed in this market. So now the resistance may be seen around 0.8188, and the next level of resistance is around 0.8278. In fact, this should come down now to 0.8253. Talking about the Bitcoin, I think we have discussed this, that the Bitcoin is going lower. Now support is 59,200. If that holds, then fine. If it doesn't hold, then we can see the levels of 50,578. On the upside, we should find some resistance around 66,245. Talking about the Brent, we have discussed Brent also. I think buyers should jump in close to 84.65 to 84.70 area to push them towards 87.81 and maybe even higher. Now, right now the resistance is around 87.81. The support may be seen around 84.65. This bullish bias will not be there if the price trades below these levels of 81.11. This is the daily candle. Talking about the gold has made higher high, but the low that we are looking for is 2146. If the price breaks below 2146, then I will turn into a seller in the gold in the coming days. Right now the resistance is at 2223 and the support is around 2146. Talking about the Nikkei has made a higher high yesterday, and between these two highs, this was the highest low. So this is now a relevant low, 38,278. Till the time the price is trading above 30,278, we can expect a bullish move. On the way down, the supports may be seen around 40,566. This one here around 39,631 and 39,271. Euro JPY must be very bearish today. Yes, this is because we have seen that the Japanese yen is very strong, and yeah, this has gone actually higher than, so this may be only a pullback to this place of 163 area. So let's see how the things unfold. But right now I think it is already trading at the highs of the previous candles. There is a possibility of getting a support here. Further down move is not expected because we are at the end of the Friday. So let's see how the things unfold on Monday. Pound, Australian dollar. Australian dollar is very strong, pound is very weak, so this must also be a very red in color. No, this is green. Why? The pound is rising today? No, the pound is not rising, but the Australian dollar is falling today. Okay, understood. So because the Australian dollar is falling more, that's why the pound is better performer against the Australian dollar. Any rise here should be seen as a selling opportunity. I think rather than selling now, if you can sell it close to this 1.9447 area, that will be good, or otherwise let it go below that, this area 1.9184, and then when it approaches this area again, then you can look for this area as a selling opportunity. Bain, we don't have anything. If you have any questions, guys, feel free to ask me. CHF JPY will bring it here. Yesterday I told my friend to look for the selling opportunities in the CHF JPY. I think I told him, yes. So that's all, guys, from my side. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. I'll be very happy to answer any questions for you. Alright, guys, I hope you know about the support and resistance levels now that I have shown you on my charts. They are of importance in the coming hours and days. Just remember, please do not risk more than 1% of your capital on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section, and please consider subscribing to the channel for more such webinars. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow. See you on Monday, actually. Bye bye. Take care.